Hey Cubs, today we'll write numbers with our race car friend Greenie. We'll do handwriting practice for kids for numbers 1 to 10, then up to 100. Stay until the end to find out what number Greenie chooses for his first race. Let's go! Hello Cubs, it's me, Mr Albie, and today we'll learn how to write numbers with our special guest, Greenie, who is 4 years old. Now Greenie is a new race car, so he needs to choose his own race car number. But Greenie doesn't know how to write numbers yet. Can you help?
But Mr. Albie, I don't know how to write numbers.
Oh, that's okay. Let's all learn and practice handwriting together. I've actually got this special race car pencil that can help us too. Now this red car already has her race car number because she knows how to write well. She's number 21. Okay, to start, you'll need a pencil, writing paper, get a book or paper with lines on it to make it easier to write. Let's practice writing the numbers 1 to 20 and even up to 100.
It's too hard.
Oh, you feel overwhelmed and worried? I can feel like that too when I'm starting something new. But luckily, I've got a special way to make it much easier to write numbers. Whenever you have a big goal, it helps to break it down into smaller steps. All numbers are made up of 3 basic lines. Let's practice writing those 3 lines. The first is a straight line, like this. It's like a race car going straight down the racetrack. The second is a curved line, like this. It's like a race car going round the bend of a racetrack. The third is a circle or oval, like this. It's like a race car doing donuts, going round and round in circles. So if you know how to write these 3 lines, you can write all the numbers. Wowza! Cubs, let's start writing numbers!
1.
For number 1, start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom. For number 2, start at the top, do a curved line going down, then go across from left to right. For number 3, do a curved line from the top all the way to the middle, and do another curved line from the middle to the bottom. For For number 4, start at the top and draw a slope from the top to the middle. Then draw a line across to the right hand side. Then do a line from top to bottom. For number 5, start from the top, right, then go across to the left, then go down to the middle, and then do a curved line to the bottom. Start at the top right, then go all the way to the left, go down, and go around back up, and then go to the left, to the middle of the big curve. For number 7, start from the top left, go right across, then do a slope right from the top to the bottom. For number 8, it's just 2 circles joined together. Do one small circle at the top and then another circle at the bottom. For number 9, do a round, curved oval shape at the top. Then draw a straight line from top to bottom. For number 10, draw a straight line from top to bottom, then draw a big oval next to it. You start all the way at the top, and then you draw a round oval all the way down, reach back up to the top. For number 11, it's just 2 straight lines down from top to bottom. For number 12, you have the number 1, then the number 2. For 13, you have the number 1 and the number 3.
14.
Number 14, you have number 1 and number 4. For 15, you have the number 1 and the number 5. For 16, we've got number 1 and number 6. For 17, you've got the number 1 and number 7. For 18, we've got number 1 and number 8.
Nineteen.
19, we've got the number 1 and number 9. For 20, we've got the number 2 and we've got a big oval, and that's the number 0. Wowza! Now we can write 1 to 20. Let's write up to 100, counting by tens.
30.
For number 30, we've got 3 and 0. For number 40, we've got 4 and 0. For 50, it's 5 and 0. For 60, it's 6 and 0.
$70.
For 70, it's 7 and 0.
$80.
80, it's 8 and 0.
$90.
For 90, it's 9 and 0.
$100.
For the big 100, we've got the number 1, 0 and 0. Look at all the numbers we can write. Caberific! You can write numbers now! Remember, when race cars want to win, they don't just go fast. They need focus and control. And that's just like handwriting. Try to write as fast as you can, but don't rush it. Focus, control your hand and your pencil, so you can win with handwriting. Now you can write numbers too, Greenie, so we hope you win for your first race. Oh wait, what number will you choose for your upcoming race?